The next speaker would be Gokul Srinivas. Sorry, Raghuraj. I just found out that Raghu happens to be my neighbor, so I definitely will be connecting with him more after this. So Raghu is the Director General of Ecolog India Private Limited, but he's also the Honorary Consul of Republic of Poland in Karnataka. The mother company of Ecolog India is from Poland, Ecolog Limited Poland. And for almost 30 years, he's been active in business and sole proprietor of Tirumala Groups. And with no further ado, I'll turn it over to Raghu.
Good afternoon, everybody. I think you can play the video, then I'll speak. Thank you. Thank you. Namaskar. Good afternoon. Dzień dobry from a Polish lady who has come from Delhi. It's there, right? Namaskar. Good afternoon. From embassy, Mihana has come. So thank you very much. Firstly, I should thank Mr. Joe to organize and giving me this time, this opportunity to be in this panel. I should thank Embassy of Poland and His Excellency Adam to participate in this event. So that's why Miss Mihalina is here. She has come from Delhi only for this program. Thank you very much. First, being a honorary of council, yes, I represent Poland, so I should tell you about Poland one by one. But firstly, I'm the director of Ecolog. What you saw. To start with, technology is the future for this developing world. This was told by my late brother, Mr. Puneet Rajkumar. I don't know how many people know Puneet Rajkumar here, who just 1 month back, he passed away. So he was my inspiration, to get into this technological field and all those things. Moving forward, sustainability should start from everyone's heart. Saving the world should be the priority. Sustainability is not an industrial or anything of money or any tender or anything. Sustainability comes from the heart. I believe in that. Where my wife is always into sustainability before me entering in waste management or wastewater treatment plants. Yes, about Ecolog. Ecolog is about 30 years old company, which was founded by my good friend, Mr. Christopher Radeski. And we are very active in Poland, Belarus, Eastern Europe, even in China. In 2016, we started our Indian company called Ecolog India, where I'm the director. We are very active in India past 6 years. Of course, so India is very big. It's not so easy to get a big project here. We are still trying, but now we are focusing mainly on technology. We're not going for any, EPC tenders or anything like that. To start with Poland, which is just 38 million population, they have about more than 1,000 STPs. So in every village, you can see sewage treatment plants there. And they have more than 200 municipal solid waste management there. So you can imagine why Poland is so beautiful if you see the videos. So that's how the wastewater is converted to the clean water. As Mr. Tarun said, it is a very good presentation, what you said. Yes, I really believe in it. Then, yes, even in the technology side, we have Poland is also a leader in green technology in Europe. They have their own patent technology, something like sludge management, where in India we have STPs, yes, but we don't have sludge management. That means from the sludge they're going to take energy from it. That's an interesting part. And also the biogas, the biogas one, which is the Prime Minister just, I think 2 or 3 months back, he said that there are going to be 1,000 biogas plants in India, where from the agriculture waste and also from MSW plants. I am also the member of Renewable Gas Authority of India, where we just signed a MOU in Punjab, for doing having about 50 biogas plants. So we're going to do the same thing here in Karnataka also. I just had a word with the Chief Secretary yesterday. He said he was very much interested in that. As of now, in Ecolog, we have opened our first plant, waste to energy plant in Sonipat with our local partner JBM, which they're converting 600 TPD, 600 tons per day to 8 megawatts of current there. That's to waste to energy one. And though it is, it is not our technology, digestion, but we are the part of it. The second plant will be the digestion plant. Now, currently in the world, we are very active in Mauritius, Poland, Kazakhstan, and Belarus, and Ukraine. In India, the pipelines are in Jammu Kashmir. We're doing first waste to energy plant with our partner Maninder Singh, which is a CEF company, where we're trying to get the wet fermentation. So in India, always we do, dry fermentation. We're going to get dry fermentation. So that's a technology which we are thinking of to go to India. So that's it. And the conclusion is that India needs a technology here, especially in waste management and wastewater treatment plants. I think Poland is one of the leaders in that. So we're looking forward for the future one. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Raghu, for sharing your perspective.